Amid the ongoing power tussle between Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday invoked internal democracy in the party and said differences in view was not an issue until it causes major damage. With Mr. Gehlot sitting beside him at a press conference, Mr. Gandhi was asked a host of questions, including on three Mr. Gehlot loyalists getting a show cause notice over defiance against a legislative party meeting in September. Responding to the question on why action had not been taken on the three Mr. Gehlot loyalists, Mr. Gandhi said there is no indecision. These things happen. There is no major problem in our party. There is no confusion. Asked about Gehlot Pilot feud, he said his view is that not only in the Rajasthan but in other states as well, there is need to make the common party worker and the lower level leader participate and be listened to. Days after Kerala Assembly passed the bill to replace Governor from the post of Chancellor, Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan said that bill should be against the law. Earlier on December 13, the Kerala Assembly on Tuesday passed the University Laws Amendment Bill 2022 to replace the Governor from the post of Chancellor in the university in the state. What needs to be checked is if the bill is against the law or not. If it is against me, that is not important. I agree with the whatever the constitution says, said Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed Khan. Before the end of 2024, road infrastructure will be equal to the standard of the USA, said Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari on Friday. Addressing the 95th FICCI annual convention, the minister said that we are making the world standard road infrastructure in the country and promising you that before the end of 2024, our road infrastructure will be equal to the standard of USA American standards. Addressing the issue of logistics cost, he said that it is an effort to take up to 9% by the end of 2024. Elon Musk today chose reply with sarcasm to criticism for suspending half a dozen of journalists from Twitter. Days after several journalists from prominent organizations like CNN, the New York Times, and the Washington Post lost access to their accounts without any warning, Musk tweeted about the freedom of speech of the press. Elon Musk today chose reply with a sarcasm to criticism for suspending half a dozen of journalists from Twitter. Days after several journalists from prominent organizations like CNN News, New York Times, and the Washington Post lost access to their accounts without any warning, Musk tweeted about the freedom of speech of the press. China's abrupt lifting of stringent COVID-19 restrictions could result in an explosion of cases and over a million deaths through 2023. According to a new projection from the US-based Institute of Healthcare Metrics and Evaluation, according to the group's projections, cases in China would peak around April 1, when the deaths would reach a higher number. About a third of China's population will be infected by then, IHME Director Christopher Murray said. China's National Health Authority has not reported any official COVID deaths since the lifting of COVID-19 restriction. The last official deaths were reported on December the 3rd. Total pandemic death stands at 5,235.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.